In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Workspace for small business. Whether you're just getting started or you've been using it for a while and want to get more organized, we'll walk through some practical ways to set things up so your team can work smarter, not harder. First, let's quickly frame what Google Workspace actually is for a small business. Think of it as your all-in-one platform for email, file storage, documents, spreadsheets, and internal communication. Instead of having files scattered across individual computers or different apps, everything lives in one ecosystem: Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Meet. That centralization is what really pays off as you grow, bring on new team members, or need to keep track of a lot of moving parts. Today, I'll show you how to make the most of one of the most powerful pieces of Google Workspace for small teams: shared drives. If you're on a business standard plan or higher, you'll have access to shared drives inside Google Drive. This is different from the usual My Drive you might already be using. Here's the key idea. Files stored in My Drive belong to the individual user. If that person leaves the company or their account is removed, you have to remember to transfer ownership or risk losing important documents. Shared drives are designed to fix that problem. Anything saved in a shared drive belongs to the organization itself, not to any single person. Think of it as the central brain of your company where your most important files safely live, no matter who joins or leaves your team. I'm going to walk you through how to start using shared drives in a way that actually supports how your business runs day to day. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see a section labeled Shared Drives on the left-hand side. When you create a new shared drive, give it a name that clearly reflects its purpose. For example, you might have separate shared drives for operations, sales and marketing, finance, or HR, depending on your size and needs. Clear naming helps new team members quickly understand where to put things and where to find them. Inside each shared drive, you can create folders that mirror your workflows. For instance, inside a sales and marketing drive, you might have folders for proposals, campaigns, social media assets, and reports. The important thing is consistency. Once you decide on a structure, try to stick to it. This makes searching easier and keeps people from accidentally creating duplicate folders in random places. One big advantage of shared drives is access control. Instead of juggling individual file shares, you can set who can access each shared drive and what they're allowed to do. For a core operations drive, you might give your leadership team full access, while other employees might only need view or comment access. This helps protect sensitive information while still keeping everyday resources easy to reach. I'll show you the easiest way to build good habits around shared drives. Whenever someone on your team creates something that should outlast their role, like a template, a process document, a client folder, or a shared spreadsheet, make sure it's created directly inside the appropriate shared drive. If they accidentally create it in My Drive, have them move it over right away. That simple habit ensures that documents stay with the company rather than the individual. Finally, as of January 2026, Gemini is included in all paid Google Workspace plans, and it works really well alongside shared drives. You can use Gemini to draft emails based on documents stored in your drives, summarize long discussion threads in shared documents, or help organize data in shared spreadsheets. This means your central company brain doesn't just store information, it actively helps you use it, saving your small business time and reducing busy work. By setting up shared drives as the backbone of your Google Workspace, and then layering Gemini on top for drafting, summarizing, and organizing, you create a simple, reliable system that can grow with your business and stay stable through staff changes.